This week, while getting ready to commute home from work on my Segway MiniPro, I somehow broke the plastic handle grip off the extendable luggage handle. I have two MiniPros where one is for spare parts. My dilemma is that this is the second time I've broken this part. To see how I fix this rather than buy a whole new steering column, stay tuned. Here's the very simple supply of parts needed for this build. All I'll need is a new handle, which will be either the elbow or T, and the shaft that will connect the handle to the MiniPro steering column. What I'm planning to do is cover the existing metal bar with the PVC pipe, then add either the T or elbow as the new handle. As you saw, the PVC pipe, as is, does not fit over the old handle mount. To make it fit, I'm going to heat it up until it becomes pliable. You can tell when it's pliable because the end of the PVC over the stovetop begins to flare out slightly. I can then press it over the old handle mount while the PVC plastic is still soft. The soft plastic will form itself around the old handle mount, then harden. One side of the PVC is round while the other side is slightly wider to fit the old handle mount. I now have to decide whether I want a small or large handle. I decided on the large handle to try something different from the stock version. Before I glue the handle in place, I need a stopper to prevent the glue from draining out of the PVC pipe before it dries. Cut the stopper so it fits snugly in the inner diameter of the PVC pipe. For gluing, I filled the pipe about 1/4 of the way with glue, then slid it over the handle mount. I left everything upside down to dry for 24 hours. And here's the completed handle. It sticks up a bit, but it wasn't so tall that it interfered with riding. As a luggage handle, it works great. I think I like it a lot more because I added about 3 inches to its length so my foot no longer runs into the wheels of the MiniPro while it's in tow. This was my quick fix for something I'm sure other MiniPro owners are encountering. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.